This is the elevator at Raubinger Hall, William Paterson University. It's an Otis. That light is burnt out, and that's perfect ADA height. 4? LL? So it seems like this is the only elevator that's working now. I've been here all 4 years at Willie P, and unfortunately the vintage elevator on the left or the right from the rear door has never worked. Sad, I really wanted to know what that was. It's okay though. This one is not bad at all. Again, rear door. 4? So the top and the very bottom are the only ones that open the back. We are 4. But yeah, just to show you one more time. Vintage elevator. Unfortunately, never got to ride it. I wonder what these buttons are. But yeah. Oh well. Alright, let's go back down. And here we are at 1. Now just look one more time at the height of the COP. Like, how is that ADA compliant? Well, that has to be a near miss to ADA compliancy. Anyways, there goes the elevator. There goes the vintage one more time. And that's it.